processor will save you from having to do tons of tedious and tiring prep work. If you are looking for the best food processor, you might consider checking out this best rated food processor. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Assembling your KitchenAid food processor for all models that include a 2-in-1 food pusher. These instructions apply to the 7-cup food processor, the 7-cup food processor with exact slice system, and the 14-cup food processor with commercial-style dicing kit. Before using your food processor for the first time, wash all parts and accessories by hand or in the top rack of your dishwasher. Place the work bowl on the food processor base and align the raised locking element with the indentation on the base. Turn the work bowl counterclockwise until it locks into place. Pick the accessory you would like to use and install it using the instructions provided in the Use and Care Guide specific to your food processor model. Once your preferred accessory is secured, place the lid onto the work bowl with the 2-in-1 feed tube positioned to the left of the handle. Turn the lid to the right until it locks into place, then fit the food pusher into the feed tube. If your food processor won't start, make sure the work bowl and lid are locked into place, checking that the lid is securely locked into the work bowl and the handle. Your food processor is now ready to create all your favorite dishes.
And these are editor rating for this product.